Hello everyone, how it's going? Today I will show you how to turn off read receipt on Instagram, so no one will know you have read their messages. Okay, so first open your Instagram app, where it is my Instagram app. Then click, this is my home page. Then you have to go your profile icon, click on it, and you find here on the upper hand three dot icon. You have to click on this three dot icon and go and find a message and story replies menu. You have to click on it and you have to find here, okay, show read receipts, this option. I am clicking on it and here it's showing a radio button. Okay, you just have to click on it. That's how you can stop read receipts, and so no one can see that you saw their message or not. So this is the simple trick for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye.